Hello, today I've received a package from Dial Outlet. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So inside we can see there we've got an Emporio Armani slipcase, and then under the slipcase we have the clasp box, and in there is the main watch box. And at the bottom there we've got certificate of authenticity and the instructions and warranty booklet there. And then in the watch box there we have the watch itself. Wow, it's absolutely stunning. The black face, black strap and the steel case really complement each other. There's a classic strap fastening on the back there, and it also has the Armani logo embossed on the strap. It's waterproof up to a depth of 50 meters. It has the date and chronograph on there. With the watch crown on the side here, you can pull it out halfway or fully. If you pull it out fully, that allows you to adjust the time. If you half depress it, you can toggle through the date. And if you push it in, that sets it. It has an automatic winding just from the movement of your wrist. If you do want to manually wind it, you can do so with the crown on the side, and you just turn that 10 to 20 times to give it a full wind. It does have a standing charge of around 38 hours. The case is actually black ion plated steel. It's 12 millimeters thick, and the case diameter is 46 millimeters. The strap is genuine leather. It has mineral crystal glass, which is scratch resistant. So this watch is going to look good even 10 years from now. The watch has a chronograph here, where we've got the minutes, the seconds, and the 24-hour there. And you simply press the A button to start. The seconds roll in there at the bottom, and you press A again to stop it. If you want to reset it, you just press B. It takes it back to the start position. You can set interval timing, so if you start off the chronograph, the second hands are going around there, and if you press the B button, the timings will carry on in the background, so it's moving on a few seconds now, and if we press the B button again, it will skip on to the interval time. So it skipped ahead there about 5 seconds. And we can carry on from there by just pressing A. And we can press B to reset it back to the start. This watch is available from Dial Outlet. You can find the link in the description below. And please feel free to subscribe to the channel and leave any comments below. So that is the AR2461.